Hi, I'm Ann from Scraps of Love, and I want to show you some cool alcohol ink techniques today. Certainly not all of them. There's all kinds, so you never know. We might be back with another video about that. But this morning I wanted to show you a couple things that I've learned and fun applications. So first I'm going to take this pipette and I'm going to put some just regular old alcohol in it. And I'm going to spread it on the paper. And this is just a slick cardstock. And kind of spread it around. It's pretty drippy. And then I'm going to take some colors and just drop a few drops on. And then another color. This beautiful turquoisey, it's not turquoise, what is it? It's Stream and Wild Plum. So we're gonna move those around a little bit. Look how pretty they are. And then, once we start really moving it around, don't you just love all those delicious drips? Look how it's turning purple, I just love that. Then, to add some added interest, you can drop more alcohol in there and it's gonna just activate it even more. And then do some more moving it around. You know, I'm all about moving the color. Then the other one thing I wanted to tell you is then you can use this for so many different things. It could be a card base. You could die cut it. How pretty would that be? Like a flower out of that, or a seashell, or anything. Die cutty. The state of Arizona, the state of California, whatever you want it to be. So here, I did not dab off the color. I just let that alcohol just kind of do its thing. So that's kind of a cool, funky look. This is more like this, where I got it really kind of watery and I dabbed off some of the color, but you still see the places where it kind of moved itself out from the alcohol drip. Here I did it on acetate. I have it on this piece of paper so you can kind of see it more defined. That's kind of cool. It just looks like cells or sea amoeba or whatever it is. Someone said to stamp one piece of paper on top of another piece of paper. So let's see what happens. Oh, shut up. Look at that. Super cool. So another thing I wanted to show you was that you can create a little, so you know it covers metal. So I have some orange, sunset orange alcohol ink, and I'm going to put some on this blender tool. I'm going to take a charm that I got out of the box, or the little bowl in the front, and dab it. And now I've made it an orange heart. How cute is that? And now I'm also going to do the paper clip, front and back. And with this, it's just like magic. Can I tell you? Is it any wonder I love art so much? And colors. Now you can take this charm, and just thread it onto the paper clip. And now it's a dangle that you could put in your planner, you could put in your Bible, you could put in a mini book, anything. Look at that, so cute. I did a button because it's slick, so it totally takes the alcohol ink. Look at that blue pine cone. Shut up with that. Look at how pretty that is. Just know that we have a giant assortment of alcohol ink colors here, and we're all willing to help you. And my inky hands, with soap and a craft scrubber, it does come off. Until next time, thanks so much. Visit Scraps of Love. Thank you.